Hello everyone, this is Dr. Meenakshi Gupta from the Conceptual Pharmacology channel. Today I am going to take the drugs for the bird flu or swine flu, or we can say it is a anti-influenza drug. Right? So what is a flu? Flu, it is an acute respiratory infection. It is highly contagious, okay, which happens due to the influenza virus. The causative is इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस. इसमें क्या है आपका एक्यूट रेस्पिरेटरी ट्रैक्ट इन्फेक्शन, हाईली कॉन्टेजियस एंड ड्यू टू इन्फ्लुएंजा वायरस. एंड इसमें पेशेंट को सिम्टम्स कौन से आते हैं? फ्लू वाले सिम्टम्स देयर विल बी फीवर, हेडेक, कॉफ, रनिंग नोज. ठीक है, ये सारे पेशेंट को सिम्टम आते हैं एंड सिम्टम लास्ट फॉर 1 week to 10 days and patient after that recovered, except in few cases what will happen, patient go for severity. There will be symptoms will become, usually क्या होता है after 10 days patient या तो क्योर हो जाएगा and fully patient will be recovered. ठीक है, except in few cases वे जहाँ पे क्या है patient will go to severe symptom. अब यहाँ पे ये वाला जो है when the patient comes with this is the time when we have to put the patient on anti-influenza drug. ठीक है, now how anti-influenza drug they are going to act. For this you must know the structure of the influenza virus. ठीक है, आपको उसकी structure पता होनी चाहिए and replication, these two things. Now coming to the next one, structure or morphology of the influenza virus. So influenza virus, it is a single stranded negative RNA. ठीक है, ये आपका सिंगल स्ट्रैंडेड. नाउ व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय नेगेटिव आरएनए? नेगेटिव आरएनए, सो यूजुअली द वायरसेस जो आपके होते हैं आरएनए वायरसेस, इन दैट व्हाट विल बी देयर, और पॉजिटिव आरएनए वायरसेस जो होते हैं, व्हाट इज देयर? देयर आरएनए इट इज गोइंग टू एक्ट एज अ मैसेंजर आरएनए. ठीक है, जो positive RNA, it will be going to act in, these are the viruses where positive RNA will act as a messenger RNA which is going to bind with the host ribosomes for the translation. ठीक है, और what will happen, it is going to form the protein. लेकिन ये negative है, this has to be converted into the positive RNA for this thing to happen, and this happens with the help of one enzyme, that is RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So all these viruses, they have this thing in common. This is the enzyme, pink color जो बना है, this is RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So this enzyme, it is there. So it is a single stranded, but there are 8 strands segmented. ये आपका segmented है, 3 4 5 6 7 8, ये आपका ऐसे. So this is a single stranded, but it is a segmented, covered with a nucleocapsid, and this nucleocapsid, it is further enveloped. So it is an enveloped virus. So envelope आपके कौन से? One is a membrane protein. ठीक है, ये आपका एक membrane protein आ गया, और इसको हम M protein भी बोलते हैं. We say it is a matrix also, membrane protein और M protein और मैट्रिक्स प्रोटीन, कुछ भी लिख दो आप, मैट्रिक्स और एम प्रोटीन. नाउ इट इज अ वायरल स्पेसिफिक. व्हाट इज दिस इज अ, ये जो एम प्रोटीन है, दिस इज अ वायरल स्पेसिफिक. देन अनदर वन इज आउटसाइड दिस, देयर इज अ लिपिड मेम्ब्रेन. लिपिड मेम्ब्रेन, and this lipid membrane, it is a host specific. The virus, it is going to acquire it once it replicate and it is leaving the host cell. So this lipid membrane, it is a host specific, so it depends on like in which cell this virus it replicates. Now this lipid membrane or this envelope, it has got the 2 type of papillomas or a glycoprotein. ठीक है, इसमें आपके 2 तरह के होते हैं papillomas, 2 type of papillomas or 2 type of glycoprotein, they are there. And what are the glycoprotein which are there here? One is neuraminidase, sorry, this is a hemagglutinin I am drawing. So one is hemagglutinin, or it is abbreviation is H. Okay, इसको हम H लिखते हैं. And another one is neuraminidase. So this hemagglutinin, it is like a hand because it helps in the binding of the virus to the host cell membrane. Whereas this is neuraminidase, जो आपका blue color का है, that is in the form of scissor. It is going to give the cut. So neuraminidase and hemagglutinin, they are there. And this neuraminidase, these two glycoprotein, so what they will do, these two type of glycoprotein, because of that there are various subtypes of influenza virus, they are there. And the most important is, it is H5N1. This is a bird flu. And another one is H1N1. This is a swine flu. There's one more important structure on the surface of influenza A virus. So there are total 3 type of influenza virus. They are there A, B and C. आपके 3 तरह के A, B and C. A is the commonest one and B and C, they are less common. So on the structure of A virus, influenza A virus, there is one more structure. This is a M2 proton ion. It is not a protein, it is a proton ion channel. This is present only in the influenza A virus. So this is in a brief the structure of the influenza virus. Now coming to the replication, to make you understand how the anti-influenza drug they act, their mechanism of action. So coming to the replication of the influenza virus, you can see here the influenza virus. This is a virus and this is the host cell. So host cell यहाँ पे क्या है? It is going to respiratory epithelial cell, you can say. So initial is यहाँ पे भी replication की the same step. Attachment will be there, then uncoating will be there. ठीक है? Then synthesis of the genomic material, synthesis of the protein, and ultimately assembly and the release of viral progeny. So step of the viral replication, they are same as in other viruses. So here the important is how this attachment, how this virus it is going to attach with the host cell. So you can see here the red color structure, that is a hemagglutinin. So hemagglutinin of the virus, and on the host cell they are the receptor which have a sialic acid. So host cell के ऊपर आपका क्या है? Host cell के ऊपर there is a receptor which has got the sialic acid. Now this hemagglutinin, it is going to bind with this sialic acid. Then what will happen? Once it binds with the sialic acid, then what will happen? It is going to cause the endocytosis of this virus. ये virus आपका अंदर आ जाएगा. ठीक है? Now the virus, it is within the endocytotic vesicle. With this vesicle, what will happen? The lysosomes which is present in the host cell, the lysosomes, it get fused with this. In the lysosomes we have various digestive enzymes, वो भी चले जाएंगे इसके अंदर. Once it fuses with the lysosomes, now what will happen? This M2 ion channel, proton ion channel, they will open. ये open होंगे, then what will happen? The proton ions, they will move inside. So protons, once it moves inside, this is going to make the core of the virus acidic, and this acidic core, it causes the disruption of membrane protein or M protein. उसकी disruption होनी शुरू हो जाएगी. This leads to uncoating of the virus. And with this uncoating, what will happen? There is a release of this RNA और genetic material. This is what we need. So सबसे पहले attachment, इसमें क्या है? Attachment is there with the sialic acid. Sialic acid कहाँ पे? आपकी this is the structure which is present on the host cell. And number 2 is uncoating. So number 1 is attachment. ठीक है, ये हो गया आपका इसमें. And number 2 is uncoating. Now what happens to this genetic material? This is a RNA. ये आपका क्या है? This is a negative RNA. Now this RNA, it will be changed into the positive RNA with the help of enzyme. कौन सा एंजाइम लगेगा? RNA dependent RNA polymerase. ये मैंने यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है एब्रीविएशन, RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So ये पॉजिटिव में आपका हो गया. Then further what will happen? There will be the, ये क्या करेगा आपका? This genomic material आपका इधर, सॉरी फर्स्ट ये दिस वन रेप्लिकेशन होगी, जेनेटिक मटेरियल बनेगा, ये सारे नेगेटिव नेगेटिव. एंड दिस साइड व्हाट विल हैपन? It will change into the positive. And another thing is, ये आपकी replication, and this side what will happen? The transcription. Transcription is this genetic material of the virus, it is transcribed in the form of messenger RNA, viral messenger RNA. And for this transcription, it needs 5 prime cap of the host messenger RNA. And how this RNA, जो ये वायरस का RNA, how this is going to get this 5 prime cap of the host messenger RNA? That is again with the help of this enzyme और RNA dependent RNA polymerase. इसमें क्या है? enzyme is endonuclease. So endonuclease of RNA dependent RNA polymerase, they are going to give a nick. यहाँ पे इसने nick दिया, ये आपका 5 prime cap है. तो 5 prime cap it gets removed from the host messenger RNA. यहाँ से ये हटके किस पे लग जाएगा? इसके साथ लग जाएगा ये. And viral messenger RNA, that is ready for what? For the translation. And with the translation, it is going to form the various viral protein. Now this viral protein, ये आपकी ये viral protein and genetic material, ये दोनों के दोनों क्या करेंगे? combine करके they are going to form the viral progeny. Now this viral progeny, what is the further fate of this viral progeny? It will be released from the host cell. कैसे? यहाँ पे एंडोसाइटोसिस हुआ था, यहाँ पे क्या होगा? एक्सोसाइटोसिस. But the exocytosis, it won't happen. Why? Because when the exocytosis it happens, what will happen? The influenza virus, it is attached this heme agglutinin, जो यहाँ पे स्टार्टिंग में था ना अटैचमेंट. So this heme agglutinin of the influenza virus, it is attached with the sialic acid of the host cell membrane. So release will not happen. Now the role of this neuraminidase. Now neuraminidase, ये अब क्या रोल प्ले कर देगी? This is going to give a nick. ये यहाँ पे क्या गया? neuraminidase, it is going to give a cut so that viral its progeny will get released from the host cell. And once it is released, it is going to infect further new cells. And this is how the replication it happens. So for the replication, so if you have understood the replication, now the anti-influenza drug, they act by inhibiting this replication at different stages. So different stages कैसे? Number 1, it is going to inhibit the uncoating. ठीक है, ये क्या करती है? आपकी uncoating नहीं होने देती. This one, this uncoating. So uncoating कैसे नहीं होने देंगी? By blocking this M2 proton ion channel. This is a number 1 group of drug. Number 2 is they are going to inhibit this endonuclease of RNA dependent RNA polymerase. This is number 2. Number 1 is this M2 protein ion channel. By inhibiting this, it is going to inhibit the uncoating. So इसका mechanism of action पता लग गया. Then by inhibiting the endonuclease of RNA dependent RNA polymerase, it is going to inhibit the formation or synthesis of viral messenger RNA. क्या नहीं लगेगा? The 5 prime cap of the host RNA will not be released. ठीक है, तो आपका viral RNA that will not be formed. This is the number 2. Number 3 is for the release neuraminidase, it has to give a nick, it has to give a cut between the sialic acid and the heme agglutinin. So if we are going to give the neuraminidase inhibitor, so they are going to inhibit the release of this viral progeny. So the three drugs, they are acting at a different phases of the life cycle of the or replication of the influenza virus, and they are going to inhibit the replication. So various drugs are, number one is M2 ion channel blocker or M2 proton ion channel blocker. Number two is a neuraminidase inhibitor, and then viral RNA polymerase endonuclease inhibitor. So under the M2 ion channel, we have amantadine and rimantadine. So remember one thing. So M2 आपका कहाँ पे था? M2 it is present only in influenza A virus. So this drug it is effective only against influenza A. ये बी के अगेंस्ट काम नहीं करेगी, ठीक है. ये आपकी स्वाइन फ्लू के अगेंस्ट काम नहीं करेगी, ये आपकी बर्ड फ्लू के अगेंस्ट भी काम नहीं करेगी. सो दिस इज ओनली इफेक्टिव अगेंस्ट द इन्फ्लुएंजा ए. व्हाई इट इज इफेक्टिव ओनली अगेंस्ट द इन्फ्लुएंजा ए? बिकॉज M2 ion channel they are present only in influenza A, और किसी में ये नहीं होते. That's why. And another thing is both they belong to, नाम देखो, amantadine, mantadine, so they belong to the amantine family. Out of this rimantadine, it is a longer duration, highly efficacious and more potent in comparison to the amantadine. Mechanism of action दोनों का सेम है, a little bit pharmacokinetic, थोड़ी सी it's a longer duration, वो फर्क है, ठीक है, rimantadine का. Now what are the therapeutic uses of this? आज का इसको यूज कहाँ पे करना है? We can use it only for the influenza A virus. और amantadine कहाँ पे यूज होता है? Apart from this, it is used for the treatment of Parkinsonism. ठीक है, so it is anti-Parkinsonian drug. So amantadine it is used for, is it we are going to use it? So amantadine currently it is not used for the treatment of influenza A. से याद रखो, A for the A, influenza A. So amantadine it is not used. Why it is not used? Because this say mutation होगी आपके इसको this. Because of the mutation to the M2 ion channel, the resistance that develops. This is number one. Number two, because of the availability of the better drug and safer drug, more potent drug, we are not using nowadays amantadine or rimantadine, or this group हम ये वाला use ही नहीं करते. We are using this oseltamivir, zanamivir, and ये वाला. So currently we are not. Otherwise पहले क्या बोलते थे? This is used both for the treatment, इसको हम treatment के लिए भी use करते थे, and for the prophylaxis. Now coming to the second one, neuraminidase inhibitor, we have three drugs: oseltamivir, zanamivir and peramivir. ठीक है, so all with the amivir ये and lenamivir. Mechanism of action, they are same. They are going to inhibit the neuraminidase. So neuraminidase, if that is inhibited, then what? आप पहले normal लिखो. What is the action of the neuraminidase? So neuraminidase, when the virus it is released from the host cell membrane, this neuraminidase it is going to give a cut to that. किसको cut करेगा ये? Sialic acid and hemagglutinin. So it is a sialadase. इसको neuraminidase को हम और क्या बोलते हैं? It is a sialadase inhibitor, DASA, sialadase inhibitor. So if you are going to give the inhibitor, then what will happen? The viral will not cut itself loose from the host cell. So viral release वो नहीं होगा with the oseltamivir, zanamivir. So mechanism of action of all of them, they are same with the little bit differences. Differences इसमें किसमें है? जैसे like oseltamivir. So oseltamivir, what is that? We give it by oral route. इसको तो एक ये देते हैं. Then it is present in the form of ester prodrug. So whenever you are going to give this drug, it get hydrolyzed into the intestine in the form of oseltamivir carboxylate. ये इसका active drug है. So it is present. So this will not happen in the infant. So 1 साल से छोटे बच्चे में this drug it is not effective. ठीक है, 1 year or older then you give this drug. So oral route हो गया, it is in a prodrug. Then mechanism of action इसका मैंने पहले बता दिया. Then another thing is its half-life. Half-life is 6 to 10. We give it by oral route, so it is present in the form of pill. ये इसकी हाफ लाइफ है. सो दिस ड्रग इट इज़ अ ब्रॉड. अब यूज किस में होगी? इट इज़ यूज फॉर इन्फ्लुएंजा ए, ठीक है. इन्फ्लुएंजा बी में भी ये काम आती है. देन फॉर द स्वाइन फ्लू, ठीक है. फॉर द बर्ड फ्लू, दिस इज अ बर्ड फ्लू. फॉर द स्वाइन फ्लू and all the strain, resistant strain जितनी भी, और the newer strain of the influenza virus, this drug it is effective. ठीक है. When we are going to give this drug within 1 to 2 days of the flu, then this is going to decrease the severity, decrease the duration, and decrease the complication of the flu. Then what are the important side effects of this drug? Important side effects, they are related with the GIT, आपका nausea, vomiting, pain, abdomen, diarrhea, that can happen, and few of the CNS related toxicity. Patient may have a dizziness, patient may have a insomnia, okay, difficulty in concentration. So all these, they are the side effects. So this drug it is a well tolerated, ठीक है. GIT है आपके थोड़े से CNS and a peripheral edema that can be seen. Otherwise, as such, this drug it is well tolerated. So this is about the oseltamivir. Now coming to the another one, zanamivir. And write it a little bit higher. ठीक है, ये आपकी zanamivir. Now zanamivir, it is not given by oral route. इसको हम कैसे देते हैं? By the nasal route. Number one this. और ये प्रो ड्रग में नहीं है. Then it is given in a 7 or older, 7 year हो बच्चा या फिर older. ठीक है. Half life is 2 to 5 hours. And this is also effective for all. ठीक है, ये भी इफेक्टिव है. हाफ लाइफ इसकी, दिस इज ऑल्सो इफेक्टिव, एंड इट इज ऑल्सो इफेक्टिव if the person shows the resistance to the oseltamivir. और इसके important side effect क्या है आपके? Because we are giving it by inhalational route, nasal route, inhalational route आपने देना, so it may cause the bronchoconstriction. So any patient with the bronchial asthma, उसमें कोशिश करो, don't give this drug to the patient. Now the third one is of this group of drug, that is पैरामोविर. सो दिस वी गिव बाय, इसको कैसे दिया? ओरली, नेजल. दिस इज पारेंट्रल, इसको आप पारेंट्रल रूप में से देते हो. दिस इज अगेन द मैकेनिज्म ऑफ एक्शन दैट इज सेम. इट इज ऑल्सो वेल टॉलरेटेड. तो इसमें क्या है? सिंगल आईवी, ये क्या है? ये 5 दिन देनी हमने. दिस इज ऑल्सो गिवन फॉर द 5 days. इसमें क्या? सिंगल आईवी डोज. इट इज एज इफेक्टिव एज द 5 days course of the oseltamivir and this zanamivir. Then if we are going to give with this also within a 48 hours, this is also all the, this is going to decrease the duration, severity and the complication. It's very well tolerated. इसके side effect बहुत कम है. GIT side effect, हाँ, when you are going to put the patient, then what will happen? The 3rd day there is a decrease in the neutrophil count. ये आपका, एंड विच इज रिकवर्ड. ठीक है, ये आपको क्या है? 3rd day पे ये कम होना शुरू होता है. वंस यू स्टॉप गिविंग, देन अगेन द पर्सन गेन्स द काउंट विल कम टू द नॉर्मल. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट द न्यूरामिनिडेज इनहिबिटर. नाउ कमिंग टू द लास्ट, दैट इज अ एंडोन्यूक्लियस एंजाइम इनहिबिटर. एंड इसमें आपकी क्या आती है? वेलोक्सोविर और फेविप्रेविर. These two drugs, they act by blocking this endonuclease enzyme. Endonuclease enzyme किसका? RNA dependent RNA polymerase. So endonuclease enzyme of RNA dependent RNA polymerase. अगर ये enzyme, इसका normal पहले बताओ कि normal action what it does. It is going to remove the M prime cap of the host messenger RNA and form a viral messenger RNA. And that viral messenger RNA further it is going to bind with the host ribosomes and undergo translation. So ultimately this drug, it is also going to block what? It is going to block the replication. And here indication is same. This is also used for influenza A, B and all that. And important side effect, we have a nausea, diarrhea, headache, and it can cause the bronchitis also. So that's all about the anti-influenza drug. I again repeat, so there are the three group of drug. One is M2 proton channel, ठीक है, ये हो गया M2 प्रोटोन आयन चैनल ब्लॉकर. इसमें आपके अमेंटाडिन रिमेंटाडिन ये क्या करती है, अनकोटिंग. If we are going to block, then what will happen? The acidic material, proton ion will not enter. अगर प्रोटॉन नहीं गया तो core will not become acidic and there will be no uncoating. But remember one thing, it has got a spectrum क्या इसका कम है. It is effective only against the influenza A virus. But current status is we are not using even against the influenza A virus because of the mutation to the M2 proton ion channel, resistance has been developed. So, and second number is because of the availability of better and more efficacious drug. Second one is that this neuraminidase inhibitor, oseltamivir, zanamivir and peramivir. Mechanism of action, it inhibits the release of the virus. Then the third one is this endonuclease inhibitor. So that's all about the anti-influenza virus drug. So if you have any query, you can put up your query in the comment section.